Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I wanted to do a video where I tested a couple of days worth of how to save leggy seedlings and if it's possible. So I got all that video pieced together and then I accidentally deleted the beginning part of the video. So I am just going to kind of show you guys what I started with, because I only did parts of them and I've already recorded the finished product here for you. So let's get started, guys. I'll let you guys know our thoughts. This is what a leggy seedling is. It just means that when it was growing under the grow lights, it wasn't getting enough light, so it was stretching really badly for the light. And when that happens, they get really leggy, they start to fall over, and as a result, they have a very thin thing that can't support the stalk. They end up falling over, breaking, 9 times out of 10 drying out and dying just because they're very unhealthy. These ones, as you can see, got put under a better grow light, so they are actually looking a little healthier. But you can see it's too little too late because they're already kind of, yeah, let's throw these out and start over phase, right? So I'm testing. I buried a couple of these lettuce or leafy green seedlings into the substrate all the way down right up to the tip here. And after 4 days, you'll see the additional footage here. My concerns were that we would get stem rot, which is where the stem itself just deteriorates, or B, the plant would be choked off and just die otherwise. So I figured, what can we lose? So let's take a look, see the results. Okay, we are officially, today is March 29th, so we are 4 days later. And take a look here at this plant. We planted the stem all the way down, and you can see, yeah, it's still reaching for the light, but it's strengthening right now in the roots. We've even got leaves growing up from right at the root there, or at the stem there, so as far as that's concerned. So this particular one is doing very well. It's not rotting, it's not dying, even though I buried that stem down. It's doing very well under those new grow lights. And then, as you can see, these ones, same thing. We buried the stem or stalk, however you want to say it, right down here. We've got some nice leafy greens growing on there. This one is doing very well, growing right from where we buried it. Really strengthening. Got a little bit of glare from the sunlight. For once, it's nice to see the sun. So you can see all of these are not growing quickly as leggy as they were. They are growing new leaves, putting out leaves faster. They haven't rotted off and died, even though we buried them. So something to consider, guys, is that just because you have leggy seedlings does not mean throw them out and start over. Give it a try. Put them in a larger pot. Solo cups work great. Make sure you put some drainage holes in them. But it's important to have the proper grow light set up in there. So, in fact, let me take you over and show you the difference between these and the rest of the seedlings that are the lettuce seedlings. Let's go over there. Here you are. These are the lettuce seedlings that I've continued to let grow and haven't done anything with. They are under the grow lights. You can see that they are trying to continue to grow, and they're doing fine under these grow lights, but you can see just how leggy they are from the get-go. So I'm going to go ahead and try that same method. I'm going to bury all of these down in that stem and see if we can save them and get some proper lettuce leaves off of these. So that's what's the difference between some pretty solid grow lights. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick update on the burying or trying to save your seedlings that have gone leggy. Give it a try. Let me know, have you guys tried this in the past? What kind of success did you guys have? Leave your comments below if you guys like this kind of content, you like these trial and error tests, Mythbusters if you will. Leave some comments, let us know that you like these, give me some feedback on it. Give this video a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already, so we can put out some additional content for you. Really appreciate you guys. We're growing strong on this channel, and it's all because of your guys' support. As always, guys, we hope you're staying safe and enjoying your gardens.